Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my Very Good Hormone Balance Powder. I love this powder. It's so great, and it's really helped me balance my hormones.
So I don't have PCOS, but I definitely have hormone issues. I get frequent breakouts, especially around that time of the month, and I also have a hard time sleeping and will have hair loss. Those are all things I've noticed. So I was really looking for something that would help balance my hormones, and I really love this powder, you guys. It has 7 vitamins, minerals, and herbs that you need for your body to help balance your hormones. So I noticed taking this that I sleep much better. My skin has also cleared up a lot. It's not perfectly clear, but it's definitely so much better just after using this for a month. It's really easy to use, so I definitely recommend using it with milk. A plant-based milk like almond milk would be great, so it gets nice and creamy. I just blend it up and drink it in the morning before breakfast, and I have really noticed a difference. I think you will too. I highly suggest giving it a try. It has a delicious chocolate flavor, no sugar, and overall I just feel much better taking this powder.
And that's my point of view.